gently the summer breeze, and beneath the sun's warm golden rays, with each breath I'm feeling at ease as I drift away into a dreamy daze. Oh, the afternoon whispers a lullaby as I close my eyes, let my worries fly, softly embracing this moment. No need to run in this sun-kissed slumber. I find peace under the sun.
Hey guys, Toby's here. Due to some medical reasons, I'm back to my parent house in Hong Kong for the last few months. So I thought, as I'm already here, let me show you guys my work in progress desktop tour. For the main monitor, I'm using an LG 2129 display with a vertical 2K IPS display from an unknown brand. I got this because my room is too small to fit two standard monitors, so this is the best setup I can have given the small space. And the keyboard and mouse are just boring standard stuff, so let's skip them. As I'm an electronic maker, my desk is full of cool DIY electronic gadgets. On the left of my desk, it is a 240V PD charger. It has 4 quick charge 3.0 USB-A port and 2 Type-C port, one 60V and the other one can deliver up to 100V. And on the wall here, I also got a 3D printed cable holder for all the USB cables. Under the monitor is a little shelf I use to glue all kind of wireless controllers and USB hub that I don't want to glue to my expensive Hinoki tabletop. It got a built-in USB hub that connects to my desktop under my table, as well as a ESP8266 wireless switch I made and open source last year. I can use it to turn on and off my light in this room. For now, only the LED strip next to the wall on the right is connected, but later I will add the monitor lights and screen bar control into the switch. You might be wondering, where is all the controller and IoT magics happens? Well, it is all under the table. This is the primary IoT controller hub. For now, it consists of 3 rail mount units, a Wi-Fi relay module, a power distribution module, and an LED power regulation module. The power adapters for the monitors, IoT Wi-Fi AP, and other stuff all lies under the table cable management rack at the rear side of the tabletop. And my PC is just sitting at the corner in my room. I guess that's about it. I'm now back to my university and resume writing my thesis. If I got more time and feeling better in the coming months, I will share my latest projects with you guys with a few new videos. See you soon.